telling stories to release fear. Hello, everyone. How are you? Today, I want to talk about something I feel every time I'll tell a story, uh, whether it's mine or for my community. The feeling of release. For me, storytelling is not just about saying what happened. It's a way to let go of fear. Of fear. Sometimes we live through things we don't understand, things that scare us, uh, or leave a mark on us, and they stay there spinning in our minds. But when we tell those stories, something changed. It's like they stopped chasing us and become part of us in a different way. That's what I'd like to do with this channel. I don't want to exaggerate or create fake tension. I make content just to scare people. I want to tell stories calmly and a simple way with honesty farm experience and from doubt. Because in many towns like mine, there are stories that mix the human and the unexplainable, and those stories are not just weird things. Um, they are part of life, part who we are. Telling them helps me understand them, and sometimes it helps me lose the fear, or at least live with the fear without uh, letting him paralyze me. So, if you've ever experienced something you couldn't explain, or if you just want to listen out of uh, cur, curo, curiosity, welcome. This space is for that, to talk, to tell stories, and to let go of that things we don't always say it out loud. Thank you for being here.